Welcome to the Kingdom of Tonga, where the sun is welcomed first in the world, where harmonious voices can be heard of laughing, singing, intermingled with the sweet smells of the various Tonga, or native flowers, and the sweat of hard work that is slow to be unnoticed. One of the many instances that Tonga is known for are its high morals, in which kavei koula, being interpreted as the gold vest, with four most essential traits of the native people of Tonga. Take a walk with us through the sand-paved development of the last reigning monarchy of Polynesia. As the sun rises on the east, we make our first stop with the first trait, tauhiwaha'a, translated, keeping up with relationships, where each individual has their personal role in family and community, whether it be at the village koka'anga, or making of traditional Tongan ngatu or bark cloth, or uta petahi, the family plantation, or fishing at sea. To represent this trait is the traditional dance of the ma'ulu'ulu, created with the sounds of beating drums, singing with both men and women performers. Ma'aloelele. Anga Faka-apa-apa, translated as respectful manner, is our next stop in the mid-morning of island life. We can see this trait best demonstrated in the traditional female dance, Tau'olunga, through the virtue and beauty of the Tongan young woman. Lototo, translated as humility, is the third attribute that Tongans possess and can very well be seen in the men's traditional dance called mako. Last of all comes the most essential of the attributes of the kavei koula, which is mamahi'imea, translated as heartfelt devotion or dedication. As the day wraps up, the sun sets just as it rose, and we end as we had begun, together. Mahalo aupito, and thank you for taking a walk through the life of a native Tongan kavei koula. Leveleva e malanga, tu'a o whaikiatu.